What's up, you guys? My name is Olivia. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Easter designs for your print-on-demand t-shirts for free. For my Easter design today, I'm going to use the niche music teacher. All right, so I'm going to show you from beginning to end of how I make my design. So first, I want to find out what Easter styles are selling and or trending. So there are two different ways that I do this. One of the ways you can do is Easter shirt, and let me type in the other way. Easter PNG or SVG, one of those, or sublimation. So Easter PNG. All right, so let's check out the shirts first. So during this process, I'm basically just trying to educate myself on what styles I could add to my design. So we have this checkerboard, smiley faces. I don't touch those because of trademark reasons. You can also look at the color. There's a video that keeps playing, but the colors for this shirt, can maybe incorporate that into my design. There are the same colors again. I'm not using peeps because copyright. We have alternating color text right here with script font and bold font. Cottontail is copywritten. Okay, with these peeps, they use the checkers, so that is trending. But like I said, I'd stay away from the peeps. That is copywritten, unless you just want to take that chance. I'm seeing leopard, different types of bunnies, outlined bunnies, and watercolor bunnies with a lot of floral. So I just take at least however long you need to take, but just don't take like an hour to do this. I take at least say about 10-15 minutes. So right here they have different color alternating stripes in the text. Then they have a polka dot carrot. Okay, then you can look at the layout. There's text, graphic, text. Then there's wavy font style here. Okay, I don't have to go to several different pages, just that's enough for me. First page should be good enough to find an idea of what direction you want to go in for your design. All right, so here are some SVGs and PNGs. So pro tip, this is where normally trends start from. So if you follow a couple of these shops that sell PNGs, SVGs, or sublimation designs, 9 times out of 10, other sellers buy from them, and then that's what normally creates the trends. So I really like to look at the graphic designs that they do. So we have different patterns in the letters here. Again, there goes the checker with the bunny, the checkered background. I'm looking at color schemes that they're using as well. Seeing a lot of bunny ears, of course, for Easter. Have chicks, bees, the bunny blowing the bubble gum, another checkered background on this one, wavy text, and then a graphic on the front of it here, but the text behind it is alternating colors. Okay, I believe I have an idea. All right, so the first place I'm gonna go to create my first design will be Canva, and this is the free version, completely free. Go ahead and go up to create design, custom size. I normally do inches. Let's just do 15 by 15. Okay, like I said, the niche is music teacher. So we're making a Easter music teacher design for print on demand. Let's see, let's start with the text, right? So the first one, I'm just gonna have it say music teacher. Okay, I want to make them the same. Okay, so you're gonna watch me play around with this. I don't have anything in mind that I want to do with this, so you're really watching me start from the ground up with this. Let's use that phrase. And if you don't know any phrases, a good way to find a niched quote, if you will, or saying is go to somewhere like Pinterest and type in music. Let's start with music teacher quotes and see what pops up, just to get some ideas here. Okay, music touches us emotionally where the words alone can't. Where words fail, music speaks. Maybe we could use that one. Where words fail, music speaks. But make it Easter themed. Let's see what else they have. Okay, here we go. Luckiest music teacher ever. Maybe turn it around and say happiest, like bunny hop. So happiest music teacher ever. Let's do that one. Happiest music teacher ever. So now I want to find a font style. Now I'm going to scroll through Canva font choices and see which font I like the most for this specific design. It's Easter, so let's see. I'm looking for a groovy, and the ones with the crown you cannot use. That is for the paid version. Lucky Bones. Okay. A little further to see if I see anything else. You don't want to spend all day on this. You want the font to match whatever the theme is. Not really seeing nothing right now. Let's use funky. Bold. Okay, so no. So I'm gonna redo that. All right, so now I'm trying to decide, do I want this to be centered or aligned to the left? I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and copy this font onto the rest. Let's go ahead and highlight those and make them the same font style. So if you need to, you can always go back. You can always go back to the graphic designs you were looking at before to get an idea. I may use this layout here. Okay, so maybe something like this one here. Happiest music teacher ever, but I don't like the music and teacher being separated. I could just be overthinking this. I like that color scheme. So if I need a reference, all right, I may use this layout here, this one here for the color scheme maybe, and this one here. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and upload. Let's maybe turn that into script font. The one that's called Holymum. I think that's how you pronounce that. I'm not sure if I like that. And sometimes if I wanted to start over, I come down to a new page. So y'all are really getting the behind the scenes of how the process I go through to create my designs. Okay, so let's use this layout right here. So we have happiest, and then maybe put it together. So music, instead of having them on different layers. So we want to do something different because peeps are trademarked, but even if that wasn't the case, I still don't want to copy them in what they're doing. So let's maybe make this script. Like I said, I just play around with it. All right, and for my bunny replacement, let's look up carrots because that was one of the elements that we saw. You could do maybe anything else dealing with Easter. So it could be Easter eggs. Let's do Easter eggs. Easter egg and see what Canva has for us. Okay, so that is for paid. The one with the crown is for the paid version of Canva. Okay, here we go. So when you click on one, it'll bring up magic recommendations. So basically things they feel are similar. Ooh, not that one. Nope. Okay, let's go back to this one. So all right, we're just trying to keep it Easter themed. We're not trying to overthink it. Okay, let's go ahead and make these a little bit smaller. How many was 6? Doesn't have to necessarily be 6. We're just using the layout. I like the heart one more. Let's use that one instead. Okay, let's move this over a little bit. Okay. All right, now color schemes, right? Let's see. They're using that color. I want to use this color. It's a little different. I feel like these colors right here are the typical Easter colors that everyone uses. So let's go ahead and use this color scheme right here. Okay, let's make the hearts. Let's maybe do purple. What about blue? Or we can just use the same pink, but a little darker. Okay. So they put color behind it. You can also just make them alternating colors as well. So let's start with purple, blue, make that like a light color. Black is fine. Then if you want to zhuzh it up, let's make the background text that color there, that maroon or mauve. Not maroon, but mauve. And let's position it to the back. There we go. Okay, so hobbyist music teacher. This is our first design and it was done completely free. I think I'll change that back to black. Just keep it simple. No need to overthink it.